is up, you guys? It's your boy Edgar back at it with a new video. Man, happy new year to everybody. Hopefully y'all have a great, successful, and good new year full of money and success, and whatever y'all put y'all mind to, y'all could do it. But anyways, guys, today I'm gonna go buy a new cold air intake filter for my blue truck, for my OG. It's fucking clogged up. I've had it on there for like a few years already. I've cleaned it, here and there, but I think it's time to go get a new filter for it, and that's what I'm about to go do. I'm about to go to AutoZone, O'Reilly's, or where the fuck they have a filter. We're gonna go buy one. We're gonna install it and probably clean the trucks up a little bit here and there. And yeah, because it's a nice day. It's in December. It's January some shit, whatever it is, 7th, I think. But I'm gonna go buy the filter, install it, and yeah, should be a good day today. The sun's shining, the birds are chirping. No, I'm just kidding, there's no birds. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go do that. We're gonna go get that filter, come back home, install it, clean the trucks up, my girl's car, and should be a short little vlog, something nice, just to begin the new year. And we did hit 300 subscribers, yo, so I am gonna do some type of giveaway. I don't know what kind of giveaway yet, but I am gonna do a little giveaway for you guys, just because y'all been supporting the movement and supporting the channel and all that. Drop a comment down below what kind of giveaway you guys I should do, like some small. I ain't no big YouTuber, so some small, something cool that you guys would like I don't know, really, I don't know, a car washing kit or something. But anyways, guys, shout out to everybody that's been subscribing, and let's get this video started. Alright, guys, I got the filter. I came to O'Reilly's. Got the filter. It took me a little bit trying to find the right one, just because I wasn't sure, but anyways, I was able to find it. Able to find the right one. It's right her. You know what? I might give away an air filter, the CAC cold air intake, for somebody. Would that be a good giveaway? If y'all think that would be a good giveaway, comment down below, because I know they're a little pricey. So anyways, drop comment down below. Let me know if y'all would like me to give away an entire cold air intake spec for your truck or car, whatever you guys have, But anyways, I got the fucking intake. Oh shit, they almost wrecked over there. Oh shit. But anyways, yeah, guys, about to go home, put that bitch back on, and see if my truck runs A1. But yeah, guys, fucking took me a little bit, like I said, just to get it, because I've never really came to O'Reilly's. I usually buy my shit online. I mean, I come to O'Reilly's, don't get me wrong, but I usually just buy all my things online. And yeah, but anyways, got the filter. Let's go back to the crib. Let's go install the motherfucking filter, and let's see how it starts. And by the way, look at the Raiders. Oakland Raiders, baby. Forever in the heart, Oakland Raiders. Anyways, alright, guys, catch you guys in a bit while I get home and install this bitch. I'm out here now. My truck's right here. Cold. It's cold. It's a little cold out here, but anyways, guys, my trucks are right here. That's the filter that's all fucking dirty. But I just gotta make sure it's the right filter, because if it's not, I gotta go return it, gotta go get another one or something. But damn, I don't think it's the right one, honestly. The looks a little too small. But let's take it off and let's see. on this one. And the inlet on this one, yeah, they're two fucking big ass different filters. So I'm gonna have to go take this one back and probably have to get it online because I checked and they don't have it. I'll go to another store. I'll go to O'Reilly's and check, see if they have one, but I mean Advanced Auto Parts, but they don't have any, so I'm kind of might be screwed. So yeah, guys, but oh well, I'm gonna go see if they have one. Well, they didn't have the filter, so I'm gonna have to fucking order it online. I'm gonna have to get it online and order it. It is what it is. It's like $80 for the fucking filter. I'm like, God damn. But anyways, yeah, guys, I guess I'm gonna have to go ahead and order the filter because I need it regardless. I do have the cleaning products for it, so I'll probably just clean it for now and then just put it back on until I order the new one next week. But yeah, guys, that sucks. But a lot of stores here don't have what you need sometimes, so you know, it is what it is. But anyways, yeah, it's getting kind of late. I was gonna fucking vacuum the cars and my trucks and my girl's car, but it's getting a little late. The sun goes down at 5:30, which fucking sucks. I don't know about anybody. I don't know about y'all, but I hate this daytime saving shit, dude. Like 5:30 just feels like it's 9 o'clock, and it just sucks. So yeah. Man, my teeth look clean. But yeah, guys, anyways. Fucking sucks. But I still got tomorrow, so I'll probably just continue. I'll just clean my trucks, the car tomorrow. If it's nice like today is, you know. If not, then fuck it. I'll wait another week or whatever I gotta do. But yeah, guys, anyways. Yeah, I think that's where I'm ending this vlog, guys. It was a short little vlog. I wanted to do more, but with no parts, you know, it's kind of hard. But anyways, guys, I appreciate it. Appreciate all the people that have been subscribing, all the love I've been getting, all the feedback. And yeah, guys, like I said, let's do a giveaway. We hit 300 subscribers. I feel appreciative of that. 300 is not a lot, but it's a lot for me, you know. And like I said, if you guys want me to do a cold air intake giveaway, drop down below, drop down a comment or what you guys think I should give away, you know. And I'll ship it here. If you live within the United States, I'll ship it to you. And yeah, guys, I'll do some type of way where you guys can enter the giveaway. I'll probably sell little stickers. I don't know. I'll think about something and I'll keep you guys updated on my Instagram. If you guys don't know, it's Edgar_vlogs on IG. And yeah, guys, I'll keep you guys updated on that giveaway. Also on TikTok, you know, all that shit. I'll keep everybody updated, see what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna do it. But anyways, guys, I appreciate the support. And like I said, like, share, subscribe. And let's see if we can reach, say, 600 subscribers by the end of the year. 1,000 would be badass. But yeah, guys, I'm trying to produce you guys more badass content to produce, to come out with. It's just, man, you know, sometimes it's hard working full time and trying to vlog and just all this circumstances, having a newborn. It all comes down to it. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna make sure I drop vlogs more recently. I do drop little TikToks here and there, or reels, YouTube reels, or shorts, whatever the fuck you call them. I do drop some here and there, but go fuck with them too. But anyways, guys, I appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. I might continue this video tomorrow when I clean the trucks or whatever, but anyways, guys, in case I don't, I appreciate the support, love, support, and everything. And I hope you all have a blessed new year. Do great things. Get more money. Get your money up. And yeah, guys, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.